Just to walk through the last couple of questions that weren't in the last video. So question 9, what you are doing for question 9, start off by actually drawing your circle and adding the information in that you can. So we're told the diameter is 3.5 meters, which means this entire thing across the circle is 3.5 meters. First thing we need to do is to actually find our radius. So we do that by dividing this number by 2. So 3.5 divided by 2 gives me 1.75 meters. I then put this number 1.75 into where my spot for R is. So let's do that now. So 1.75. And let's go through with our answer. So 2 times pi times 1.75 gives me 10.995, and I need to do this to 2 decimal places, so I need to look next door, and I end up having it to 11. I have to round everything up because I round this guy up, which means that turns into a 0, which means that one rounds up, which means this one rounds up. So we end up with 11 for that particular question, and we need to include our units of measurement, so it will be 11 meters. Next one, you have a circular track, okay? You have a circular track, so again, draw it. We want our answer to the nearest meter. We need to find our circumference of one track, and then we need to multiply it by 50 because we have 10 laps per day and 5 days a week this person actually uses to go around the track. So that means a total of 50 laps per week. So we have to multiply our answer by 50 for our circumference. So when I do actually do this, I do the following. And I have 40 minutes. Let's just put that onto our diagram. So we have our radius of 40 meters. So my circumference is going to be 2 times pi multiplied by 40. So my answer actually ends up being, as my circumference, approximately 125.66 and so on and so on. And you need to keep that in the calculator. Reason for that is we still haven't finished to do this next step. So to do this next step, we now go and multiply by 50. So if I then multiply my answer by 50, I end up with the following answer, which is 6283 meters, and that is to the nearest meter.